tutorial is how to create a mark using basic shapes in Tinkercad. Before we begin, we need to edit our grids. Click here and change the grid properties from 200 to 250, width and the length, and update the grid. Now select this solid cylinder and change its properties. Sides 60, bevel 0.75, segment is gonna be 10. Now next thing is we need to change its dimension from 20 to 25, and X direction also 25. Now change its height from the front view, click on the square and make it 35. Right? Now go back to home view. Now the second thing is click this whole cylinder, select and change its property from 20 to 60, and dimensions is going to be 23.5 X, and the Y direction is also 23.5, right? And go to front view and change its height to 40. And move a little bit up using this triangle arrow shape. Move it up, and there you go, 2 mil above the base. Now what we need to do next is go to top view and align it, right? Select both cylinders and click align and click in the middle and that middle as well to align them all together. Now escape and select them both and create a group. So once we group it, when I like to change its color to something blue, right? I like this blue. Now once we have done that, let's go to home view. What we need to do is we need to create a handle. To create that, we isolate torus, and we need to change its property. Radius is gonna be 10, and the inner tube is gonna be 1, and side is 16. Sorry, 24. Right. Now see, yeah, I'm happy with this dimension 22. Now what we need to do is now we need to rotate it. So 90 degree from here, and also 90 degree from here. See, now I am quite happy with this direction. Now we need to cut, so to do that again we use a cylinder hole, place it here and change its dimension again 25 from X and 25 for Y direction, and also we're going to change its height XZ dimension to 35. But here we see that torus is below, halfway there, so we need to move it up. And let's say I'm going to move up to 10 or maybe 5. Yeah, 5 is better. Now once again go to top view, select and align it. Now we're going to move to the right using arrow key. And now I'm happy. Now select both and group it. Once I group it, I want to change this handle color to pinkish. That's fine. And a little bit further down, and I just want to go. There you go. And now select them both and align it, and select and move a little bit. That's it. And group it. But I don't want everything in one color, so I want to keep it multicolor. Click here to keep it multicolor. Now when we go to home view, here we go. We have nice handle with our cups. Yeah, there we go. Nice. So from here we need to add a little bit of a shape, and to do that we're going to use different techniques. Click here to square, and we need to change its work plane. So you click here, work plane, and place it in the front. Now use the heart shape and place it somewhere here, and we need to put the original base on the work plane. There you go. Now, and the top, so we don't need a square box anymore. We can delete that. So we need to resize the heart shape. So let's say 5 and 2.5, and the front also we're going to have 5. But now I don't want brown color, we change it to red. Now, and duplicate it. Now using a right arrow to separate it. Now, there we go. Now I want a little bit up, which I believe it will be 20 will be nice. 20, let's see. Yeah, 20 is fine. Now once we have done that, we need to align it again. So to do that, we select them both, go to top view. Oops, it's too much. And align it. Align it. Let's see from the front. That's perfect. That's all I wanted. Now, next thing is I need to group it because I don't want to mess. So group it. They move always together. Then go to home view. Right. Now what I need to do is I need to create another clean cylinder dummy as a dummy. So let's say 25 by 25. Prompt, and move this one to 35. There you go. And now what I want to do is I want to move my heart shape again, align it. Now what we need to do is move this one in towards cylinder hole. Move it. I think one more. Now do Okay, let's I'm happy with it. And now group it again. Now what I need to do is just select them both and align it. Sorry, align it. Let's see, align together. That's perfect. Now I need to move the heart shape a little bit because it's not in the perfect place, and move it. Now I can decrease this one to move a little bit precise. You see, yeah, and then I can move a bit more. That's it. Now, what I do is I will group them all. Group, perfect. Now, let's see how it looks. That's perfect. Now, there we go. Now we created a handle and the heart shape and nice simple mug. Now the final bit is to finish it with a renaming before we go, otherwise we will lose our work. So let's say my blue mug, and hit the enter. There we go. Now we saved our work and created our blue mug. Enjoy your designing. Bye.